Are you looking for a Ninja blenders for smoothies? In this video, I will show you the 5 best Ninja blenders for smoothies based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Ninja Footy Cold and Hot HB152. Meet the Ninja Footy Blender with Heat IQ. Combines high-speed crushing with a precision heat cooking blender to go beyond smoothies and frozen drinks to unlock natural flavors with heat. With the push of a button, heat fruit, melt chocolate, and toast spices to create perfectly customized craft drinks. Cook proteins and veggies for flavorful soups and sauces. Easily push ingredients down toward the blades for the smoothest blending results. Perfect for making ice cream. Bring the spa, cafe, and bar menus home with the Ninja Footy Blender with Heat IQ. The 4th product on the list is the Ninja Footy SS201 Power Blender. The 3-in-1 blender that crushes, food processes, and makes dough. Smart torque is designed to power through heavy loads without stalling or the need to stir or shake. Variable speed control. Start slow and ramp up as needed for precision chopping and mixing. Power blender and processor pitcher crush, chop, and make dough conveniently in one pitcher. 6 preset Auto IQ programs for one-touch smoothies, frozen drinks, bowls, spreads, chopping, and dough. Powerful 1400 peak watt power dense motor. Easy to clean food blender is dishwasher safe and includes cleaning brush for hand washing. The 3rd product on the list is the Ninja BN801 Professional Plus. The Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system with Auto IQ features a new modern design and more functionality than Ninja's original kitchen system versus BL770 based on the number of available blending programs. Ninja Total Crushing blades give you perfectly crushed ice for your smoothies and frozen drinks with 1400 peak watts of professional power. But don't just stop at drinks. The 64-ounce precision processor bowl provides precision processing for even chopping smooth purees and up to 2 pounds of dough. The 2nd product on the list is the Ninja Professional BL610. Professional Power. 1000 watts of professional power can crush ice and break down any tough ingredient. XL capacity. The 72-ounce professional blender pitcher is excellent for making frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the entire family. 64 ounces. Max liquid capacity. Intelligent technology. Total crushing technology delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. Pitcher is BPA free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup just as simple and easy as using the blender. Ice crushing. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious resort-style frozen drinks. The 1st product on the list is the Ninja Footy SS101. The 1200 peak watt smoothie bowl maker that blends and powers through for spoon-thick smoothie bowls. Smart torque is designed to power through heavy loads without stalling or the need to stir or shake. 14 ounces. Smoothie bowl maker with built-in tamper blends and powers through frozen foods with less liquid for perfectly thick smoothie bowls, nut butters, and blender ice cream. 24 ounces. Nutrient extraction cup with better breakdown for smoother extractions, smoothies, and frozen drinks. 4 preset Auto IQ programs for one-touch smoothies, extractions, bowls, and spreads. Extract a drink containing vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables. Easy to clean. Base and blender parts are dishwasher safe. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.